नमस्ते, मैं अर्चना। हमारे अपने JPSN इंटरनेशनल स्कूल चेंबूर से आयोजित इंस्पायरस 3.0 में इस वार्षिक उत्सव में यहाँ उपस्थित आदरणीय अतिथियों, माननीय सदस्य, अभिभावकों का और मेरे प्रिय नन्हे कलाकारों का, मेरे सहपाठियों का यहाँ मैं तालियों की गड़गड़ाहट के साथ स्वागत करना चाहती हूँ। सब जूनियर श्रेणी के नुक्कड़ नाटक को और भी खास बना दिया है, जहां हमारे नन्हे कलाकार कक्षा 1 और कक्षा के 2 के विद्यार्थी अपनी प्रतिभा प्रस्तुत करने के लिए उत्सुक हैं। आइए हम सब छात्रों का उत्साह बढ़ाकर इस आयोजन को एक यादगार सफलता बनाने में उनका साथ दें। कोई भी कार्यक्रम जो होता है उसके लिए एक दूसरे की सहायता की बहुत ही जरूरत होती है, तभी वो जो हमारा कार्यक्रम होता है वो सफल बनता है और उसे सुयश प्राप्त होता है।
Introduction today, but I will try to be short and crisp. Firstly, I would like to give a big warm welcome to all the parents here for Nukkad Natak. Wow, we're gonna have to work on that. Can we try this one more time, a little louder? And can we try to sustain this energy till the last performance? Because they worked really hard for the last 6 weeks to put up this performance in front of you. It would be a real waste if parents were just like... So we would really appreciate loud claps and loud cheers from each and every one of you, regardless of the house performing. Now that that is out of the way, welcome to Nukkad Natak. As you all know, this is a street play performance by the 1st and 2nd graders. And how many parents are from Delhi over here? Any Delhi parents? Have you all ever had the chance of doing any kind of college theatre, any Nukkad Natak on the streets of Delhi? Anyone, even in Bombay for that matter? Any parent, yeah? I see a couple of hands. That's wonderful. That's the first time I'm seeing parents from Bombay taking part in... That's great.
Mumbai Indians.
So we've tried to bring that ethos to the children here today with this performance. Street play or Nukkad Natak has been a big part of our heritage, our performances, right? We are here in a school performing Nukkad Natak with 1st and 2nd graders. So firstly, can we have a big round of applause? That is great. Having said that, there is one thing that is very, very naughty at its core. And I need your help to do that so that we can cheer our learners. Okay? It's the chant that is generally used in Nukkad Nataks all over, in whatever language it is, right? If you're performing in Gujarat, it's turned to Gujarati. In Maharashtra, it's in Marathi. But essentially in Hindi, I will say it and I expect you all to repeat it with the same energy that we practiced 2 minutes back. Okay? It's सुनो सुनो भाई सुनो सुनो
सुनो सुनो भाई सुनो सुनो
सुनो सुनो भाई सुनो सुनो
सुनो सुनो भाई सुनो
Can
सुनो
we add claps to that? सुनो सुनो भाई सुनो सुनो
भाई सुनो सुनो
सुनो सुनो भाई सुनो सुनो
सुनो सुनो भाई सुनो सुनो.
Great! So, instead of clapping for the learners to come on stage and perform, every time a house comes and performs, we will start with this chant. Works? Yeah? Okay, cool. So, SS House is going to perform a beautiful story called I Love Me. It's a story by Menaka Raman that really makes you question what is it that we actually allow our kids to do, don't allow our kids to wear and say, and why? Why? You'll understand more when you actually see the performance. So with me, 3, 2, 1, go!
सुनो सुनो भाई सुनो 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 भाई सुनो 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 भाई सुनो सुनो.
We are here for not to sing no song and dance. We are here to tell a story. A story? An important story about a girl who lived once upon a time. Who lived in a galaxy far, far away. No. We are just kidding. This story was about a girl who was stuck in the summer farm. A girl? You might have even met her yourself. Oh! We were kidding her the singing too. Of course we will. Yes! She is the new girl. Rubina is her name. Her hair is so funny. She speaks a little strange. She wears funny glasses. Her clothes are very lame. She wants to make friends, but who will take her again? Hi, hello. मेरे पुराने घर पे ना मेरे मम्मी पापा और मैं just got back to the shift and I am very excited living in such a big city. Have you met any friends yet? No. मेरे पुराने घर में बहुत सारे friends like Ram, Silver and Annie. I miss them. In fact, let's go to the playground and meet friends. Let's play. She is the new girl. Rubina is her name. She is the new girl. Rubina is her name. She is the new girl. Rubina is her name. Hi, my name is Rubina. Play with you? Never. What's wrong with your hair? So funny. You're so weird. No, sorry. I don't play with weird people. You're so weird. But I like my hair. I comb it by myself. See? Am I really funny? Am I really weird? Let's play. Come on, let's play. Hi, my name is Rubina. Will you play with me? Play with you? Never. Why do you talk like that? Yeah, oops, funny. Can you? Everyone. This is the way she does. Can I name you? Dude, she's so cute. But I like the way I speak. मेरे पुराने शहर में सब ऐसे ही बात करते थे. Am I really funny? Am I really weird? Come on, let's play. Look, after all, she made a new friend. Ryan! Of course he did. Hold on. She almost believed that. Didn't she? But all it took was one act of kindness and to cancel all those hard words. And now look! Ooh. She is a new friend. Rubina is her name. She can climb a tree and she knows many games.
Thank you so much, SS House.
Whenever you see a street dog or cat, smile at them or give them a pat.
सुनो 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 भाई सुनो 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 भाई सुनो सुनो. Thank you. Can we please hear from the judges now what they thought? Yeah? Are we all going to keep our eyes, ears, noses, mouths shut, everything else open? You want to hear from the judges what they thought about you? I've been caught. If I could request.
Good evening, everyone. Thank you very much. So, when they started with the performance, I was looking for someone in the crowd who could replace me because they were so amazing when the first team came up on stage and they came up with a message. Then the second team came. They were so loud, you know, whenever I interact with my students, so I always tell them to be loud. Even to say a simple no, they have to be like, no, so that everyone on stage, I think I don't need this. So that what happens is, whenever everyone, even behind, they are able to see the expressions. So the kids, they were so loud, even with their facial expressions, and to convey the message. Like, we had that thing when she was saying, suno, suno, bhai, suno, suno. But when they were performing, we were looking at each and everything. The message was conveyed loud and clear. And in fact, in one of the plays, I was about to cry. And that was Rubina's play. That was the second one. It was amazing. Wherein, third one, yes. So when she came here and she was saying, and even parents from, they were saying no, they were like feeling that emotion. No, better no. And each and every play, you know, there were different criteria for the play. But not only that, I was also looking at the message that is coming out from the play. So the message that was coming out was loud and clear. Like if you follow the message, all the 4 plays, if we as adults will follow these messages like regarding the garbage, regarding the shoe, regarding insects, and the fourth one? Yes. All the 4 different messages. It was loud and clear. And yes, everyone, all the students, just being here on stage, that was wonderful. And giving such a wonderful performance, amazing. Very nice students, very nice. You just got points, but don't worry about the points. You all were amazing. It doesn't matter whether you come first, second, third, or fourth. It doesn't matter. You all were here and did an amazing job. We all enjoyed.
Thank you so much, Vivek sir.
Yes, Yes, I'll just make it short. I have a few points. Firstly, thanks to JBCL, they've been very kind. Every year they call me out here to judge. And every year I am sort of surprised because the performances are just elevating. Hear it for Vidur, Gargi, Atray, if I'm not wrong, Dilkil, Sachin, Akshay. Great job. You guys deserve. Please. All of you guys. Amazing use of commercial, music, live. The children were not surprised with the live music. Amazing job. And yeah, I'll just say that everyone's performed well. So let's just hear it for children actually. Let's just give it.
Can you all see your mentors? Can you all see your mentors? Will you go find your mentors on the stage? Go stand next to your mentors.
ये निर्णायक जो है मैं उनसे अनुरोध करती हूँ कि कृपया आप ही जो है ये विजेताओं के नाम घोषित कीजिएगा।
SS House.